Hey!
Shh, dude, no. You gotta go like, hey. Oh, okay. What?
Hey everyone, I'm about to pick up my daughter from school, and so I brought her some shrimp as an after-school snack. Yes, I brought her shrimp uncovered in a bowl with some chips, and my car smells like shrimp. So I'll check back in with you when she gets into the car and sees that I have shrimp for her. Hey sweetie, how are you? I brought you some shrimp.
Το πετύχαμε! Η Ζουμπουλία το πέτυχε! Μπράβο Ζουμπουλία!
Ζουμπουλία τι έκανες?
Το χτύπησε παιδί μου στο κεφάλι από πίσω! Μπράβο Ζουμπουλία!
Σταμάτα πάλι και εσύ! Μπράβο Ζουμπουλία και μπράβο Ζουμπουλία! Λες και μία τόση!
What's more important, being on TV or some stupid assassination?
Dan, I can't do it alone. Please?
Uh-oh, we're losing him.
Never touch my doctor!
Hey, babe. Would you still love me if I was fat?
Yeah, of course.
But Mom, you are fat.
So Fireheart, that's your brother.
I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of closing a goddamn door?
Oh, way down south in the land of traitors, rattlesnakes and alligators. Right away, come away, right away, come away. Where cotton's king and men are chattels, Union boys will win the battles. Right away, come away, right away, come away.
And we dug the bullets out of that Iraqi family's skulls so they couldn't be traced back to us.
Today I saw a balloon.
I have a headache. This weather stinks.
Best by 07 September 18043/4.
Oh, I'm sorry, were you trying to read?
You're the one who tries to read.
Oh my gosh!
Today, I'm going to teach you how to face your fears. Now, the first step to facing your fears is...
Babe, are you awake? Okay. While we were sleeping, you pushed my leg off of you, and I was wondering if you still love me.
Now for a simple 9,000 question dating quiz. Grunkle Stan, on a scale from 1 to 5, you scored a 3.
Yes! Yes!
Dateable.
Dipper, your score is... Yeesh! You know, scores don't really matter. You should just focus on being you.
Questionable.
Seuss, on a scale from 1 to 5, you scored a 12?
My grandma was right all along. I am the world's most perfect man.
Total hunk.
Mirai Psycho. Mirai Psycho. Mirai Psycho.
Yay, yay. Mirai, psycho. Mirai, psycho.
We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. That's right! We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu!
And I will watch the crimson blood leak from your neck.
Dude, that little kid is hardcore goth. Hardcore goth.
Alright, Avipa, tell us what you saw in the dark forest. Yeah, did you see any ThunderClan cats? That's none of your business. It literally is.
We could play a board game. No. Why not? I think that you need to go into anger management or something before I play another board game with you. Oh, anger management? Name one time that I had anger problems! Alright, what we need is something totally... Can I take a moment? Take it, done. Alright. That's why I love working with you! What about me? Shut up! Alright!
Hey Thunder, I've been meaning to ask you something.
Huh?
Is Grey Wing a better dad than me?
Aside from the dad jokes, yes, by a long shot.
Dad jokes?
Turtletail, we need to talk.
Yes, we do. You see, there is this Tom at the Tulip place named Tom.
What's brown and sticky?
What?
A stick!
Ah, this is why nobody's attracted to you.
Hey, Sparrowfur. Why are there walls around a cemetery?
I don't know. Why?
Kids' cats are dying to get in. Hey, Pebbleheart.
Yes, Father?
I bought some Velcro today.
The fox is Velcro.
It's a ripoff.
Ugh.
Allies. Allies. How do you keep an idiot in suspense?
Dad, I'm in the middle of hunting. How do you keep an idiot in suspense, Dad?
I'll tell you later. Thunder, I need to talk to you.
What is it, Greywing?
The boiled water died.
No, please don't.
It shall be missed. Honey, I'm pregnant. Hi, pregnant. I'm Dad. Please, come around, children.
Dad, please don't go. We're not even 6 months old yet.
Have this.
What is it?
It's a bison burger.
Was that a Fox Dong dad joke?
Just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did. I did a bad thing.
Get me some Skittles, but I didn't want to pay for them. And then one of the store attendants came up to me and was like, "Put that back." And then he grabbed my arm and I said, "Don't touch me."
Dad, when I grow up, I want to invent ice cream.
That's okay, son. When I was your age, I had stupid dreams too.
Like being a supportive father who's around for his children?
Mm-hmm.
Puddleshine was standing nearby, searching Shadowpaw's gaze. Shadowpaw could see his mentor read his expression, and flinched as the hope in Puddleshine's eyes changed to disappointment. "Is he gone?" Puddleshine whispered. Shadowpaw tried to speak, but he found he couldn't make the words come out of his mouth. Puddleshine brushed past Shadowpaw into the den, then a moment later slowly crawled out. By now, all the other cats had realized that something was going on and had gathered around, all watching curiously as Puddleshine straightened up and let his gaze travel carefully over each of them.
This is the deadest I ever seen,
he announced.